back to basics, and it's perhaps most important to start with a brief reminder of the concept that companies are separate and distinct entities. This has been a basic principle of modern business and law for well over a century. Indeed, recently, Lord Neuberger described it as the unyielding rock of corporate law. Today, a company enjoying separate status from its shareholders means it has many advantages. For example, it can minimize the personal liability of shareholders. It's a vehicle to provide tax-efficient planning, and as well as being able to structure investment opportunities. Under English law, incorporated companies are legally distinct from their shareholders. Section 16 of the Companies Act 2006 provides that upon registration, a company's subscribers and members form a body corporate by the name stated in the certificate of corporation. A body corporate is included within the definition of person in Schedule 1 of the Interpretation Act 1978. So as distinct legal persons, companies own their own assets. They are also responsible for their own liabilities. So looking at the position post-Prest, as well as sweeping up some points for practitioners, Prest was really the last major exposition of the principles dealing with piercing the corporate veil. However, it has remained an area of debate and is likely to remain an area of debate for some time. And I think Lady Hale's comments at paragraph 92 of the judgment are quite important in this respect. She said, "I'm not sure whether it is possible to classify all of the cases in which the courts have been or should be prepared to disregard the separate legal personality of a company neatly into cases of either concealment or evasion. They may simply be examples of the principles that the individual who operates limited companies should not be allowed to take unconscionable advantage of the people with whom they do business. But what the cases do have in common is that the separate legal personality is being disregarded in order to obtain a remedy against someone other than the company in respect of a liability which would otherwise be that of the company alone.